Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little clean my room with me video because I've been needing to clean my room and I just need some motivation while I clean my room. So yes, that's what I'm gonna be doing in today's video. So I'm just gonna give y'all a little overview of what my room looks like before I start cleaning it, of course, because I wouldn't I. And I don't want this intro to be too long, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. So we're gonna go ahead and start at the door. So this is just what everything looks like. So that's my shoes. I got all that on the floor. My dresser. Yeah, my LED lights are all on the floor because they fell off. So they'll be getting put back up today. So yeah, so I'm about to start cleaning and hopefully y'all will enjoy the video. Okay, so that's just what my room looks like, and we're about to go ahead and just start cleaning now because I'm ready to get this thing clean. And yeah. Okay, so I didn't film everything that I was cleaning, but I cleaned, dusted. I dusted the other day, so I would just be able to just go ahead and polish straight up. I cleaned that side of the room, all that. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum, but first I'm gonna go ahead and try to hang my LED lights up again. I'm gonna need some tape to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna need some tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to attempt to put these up. Hopefully they don't fall again. Yeah, I'm gonna just go and stop something there. So yeah, yeah, you're gonna watch me do that. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to put this up, and we're gonna turn off the phone.
What we doing? Y'all talking about work classes. Yeah. Drop one, the producer. Ball head, ho shit. Give it bitch, ball head, ho shit.
Okay, so I got the LED lights to get back up. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like after I finish getting everything done, because I need to vacuum. So I'm gonna show me vacuuming, and then yeah. So hopefully y'all are enjoying the video so far. If not, just keep watching, and yeah. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and just vacuum, and yeah, and then yeah, so keep watching the video. I just got done cleaning my room. I think it looks good, better than it did earlier. It took about an hour and some minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little overview. Okay, the floor. Y'all see I vacuumed and stuff. My LED lights are working now. I got them put up. My bed, and then this the floor. That's the dresser. So yeah, y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it. So yeah, that's the floor and everything. So yeah. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to let me know. And yeah, follow my Instagram, Rich Accessories. Shop Rich Accessories for some cute accessories, bracelets, necklaces, all of that cute stuff. So you know, yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I know I look a mess. Don't guys tell me I look ugly, but it's okay, that's on a regular. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.